Welcome students of 8B. In this period of arithmetic, our new topic is subtraction of rational numbers. In this topic, we will see subtraction of two rational numbers making the denominators equal. For that, I have used one example. These are the two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 3 by 7. Here we are seeing that denominators of these two rational numbers are different. So, to make the denominators equal, at first I have found the LCM of these two denominators 3 and 7. LCM of these two denominators 3 and 7 became 21. Now, first rational number is 2 by 3. I wrote here 2 by 3. Now we will decide by which number you will multiply this denominator so that you will get 21. That number is 7. If you multiply 3 by 7, then we can get 21. Since we are multiplying denominator by 7, so you also multiply numerator by 7. In this way, this equivalent fraction became 2 into 7 by 3 into 7 equal to 14 by 21. The second rational number is 3 by 7. Now we decide by which number you will multiply denominator to get 21. That number is 3. So we will multiply numerator also by 3, and in this way the equivalent fraction of 3 by 7 became 9 by 21. Now in these two rational numbers we are seeing that denominators are equal, 21 and 21. Now we will use these two rational numbers, 14 by 21 minus 9 by 21. LCM became 21, and directly we can subtract the numerators 14 minus 9. So this became 14 minus 9 by 21, that is equal to 5 by 21. Now let us see the properties of subtraction of rational numbers. The first property is closure property. If you subtract two rational numbers, that will give you a rational number. This subtraction of two rational number is a rational number. Suppose these two are the rational number a by b and c by d. We are subtracting these two, we will get a rational number. So the subtraction holds the closure property. Second is commutative property. If you subtract these two rational numbers, what will be the result of this subtraction? That will not be equal to the subtraction of these rational numbers in the reverse order. The meaning of reverse order is I have subtracted c by d from a by b. Now I am subtracting a by b from c by d. These two results will not be equal. Therefore we say subtraction of two rational number does not hold commutative property. Does not hold. Here is not equal to, so we say does not hold commutative property. Subtraction of two rational number does not hold the commutative property. Now third property is associative property. Here a by b minus c by d minus e by f, these two are enclosed in bracket. That will not be equal to a by b minus c by d minus e by b. Here first two are enclosed in bracket. See, you are seeing that here last two are enclosed in bracket, and in this first two are enclosed in bracket. In this case also this LHS part will not be equal to RHS part. So we say subtraction does not hold subtraction does not hold associative property. And the last property is subtraction of 0. If we subtract 0 from any rational number, that result will be that rational number. A by b minus 0 equal to a by b. This is the last property. Now let us start the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2, question number 1, Roman number 1. We are asked to subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. So first of all we write 5 by 6, then the sign of subtraction, then 3 by 4. I found the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 became 12. I wrote here 12 at the place of LCM. I wrote here 12. Now I divided this LCM by denominator 6. I got 2. So this 5 into 2. Minus came here. Again I divided this LCM by denominator 4. 4 3s are 12. Then I wrote 3 into 3. Now this became 5 2s are 10 minus 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 1 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 12. That became the answer. Roman number 4, minus 2 by 7 from minus 3 by minus 8. I wrote this minus 3 by minus 8 minus 2 by 7. This minus minus cancelled. We have only 3 by 8 minus 2 by 7. LCM of 8 and 7 became 56. I wrote at the place of LCM 56. Now I divided 56 by 8. I got 7. So 3 into 7 minus plus. Again I divided LCM by denominator 7. I got 8. So 2 into 8. So this became 3 7 is 21 plus 2 8 is 16 by 56. 21 plus 16 equal to 37 by 56. Question number 1, Roman number 6. Minus 11 by 9 from 0. So I wrote at first 0, then minus, and this minus 11 by 9. So this minus plus, that became 11 by 9. Now, question number 2, simplify. Roman number 1, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. In this question, I have followed the process making the denominators equal. So for that, I have found the LCM of 3 and 5, it became 15. First rational number I wrote here 2 by 3. Now I decided by which number we will multiply the denominator so that we can get this 50. That number is 5. Since we are multiplying denominator by 5, so we will multiply numerator also by 5. In this way 2 into 5 by 3 into 5 will become 10 by 50. Similarly, second rational number is 3 by 5. I wrote here 3 by 5 and decided by which number we will multiply denominator, then it will be equal to 50. So that is 3. So I multiplied numerator and denominator by 3 and I got 3 into 3 by 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 by 15. So this became 10 by 15 minus 9 by 15. These two are the equivalent fractions. So at these two places I have written the equivalent fractions 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. It became 10 by 15 minus 9 by 15 equal to 1 by 15. That is the answer. Now Roman number 4. 5 by 24 minus 7 by minus 36. So this minus cancelled. These two became 5 by 24 minus 7 by 36. LCM of 24 and 36 became 72. Now I have used this first rational number, that is 5 by 24. If you multiply denominator by 3, 24 into 3, that becomes 72. That is the LCM. So we will multiply numerator also by 3. In this way, this equivalent fraction became 5 3s are 15 by 24 3s are 72. 15 by 72. Second rational number is 17 by 36. I wrote here. Now I multiply denominator by 2 to get 72. So we have to multiply numerator also by 2. 17 into 2 by 36 into 2, that is equal to 34 by 72. These two are the equivalent fractions of these two. So at these two places I have written these two equivalent fractions. It became 15 by 72 minus 34 by 72. Denominators are same, so directly I subtracted the numerators. 15 minus 34, that is equal to minus 19 by 72. That became the answer.